transforming your tiny front yard into a stunning outdoor oasis. A small front yard doesn't mean you have to compromise on beauty, functionality, or curb appeal. With the right design approach, thoughtful plant selection, and creative landscaping techniques, you can turn even the tiniest space into a breathtaking outdoor oasis. Whether you dream of a lush green lawn, a vibrant flower bed, or a wide, open view, every inch of your front yard can be maximized to create an inviting and serene space. By carefully selecting plants that suit your climate, maintaining a balance between hardscape and softscape elements, and incorporating focal points that draw the eye, you can craft a front yard that not only enhances your home's exterior, but also provides a relaxing retreat. Let's explore the key steps to transforming your small front yard into a captivating outdoor sanctuary. A well-designed front yard is not just about planting flowers and adding a lawn. It's about creating harmony between different elements. The first step is to assess the available space and determine how to best utilize it. Opting for a minimalist layout can make a small yard feel more spacious. One effective strategy is to use curved pathways and layered plantings to create depth and movement, making the space appear larger than it actually is. Raised flower beds, vertical gardens, and well-placed stepping stones can add structure and visual interest. Additionally, incorporating a focal point such as a water feature, a statement tree, or an elegant sculpture can anchor the design and draw attention to the beauty of your yard. The key is to strike a balance between hardscape elements like stone or wood and the lush greenery that softens the space. Choosing the right plants is crucial in crafting a thriving front yard oasis. Since small spaces require smart plant selection, opt for varieties that provide year-round beauty. Evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, and flowering perennials can create a dynamic landscape that evolves with the seasons. Consider layering plants by height, with taller plants towards the back and shorter ones in the front, to give depth and a natural flow to the design. Drought-resistant plants like lavender, succulents, and rosemary are excellent options for low-maintenance beauty, while colorful flowers such as petunias, marigolds, and daisies can bring bursts of vibrancy. For added charm, integrate climbing plants like jasmine or roses on trellises to utilize vertical space. By selecting a mix of textures, colors, and heights, you can create a lush front yard that feels both inviting and well-balanced. To make a small front yard feel more expansive, consider strategies that enhance openness and flow. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many large plants or bulky furniture. Instead, use low-growing plants and open pathways to create an unobstructed view from the entrance to the street. Light-colored paving materials and reflective surfaces can help create an airy, spacious feel. Additionally, incorporating a small patio or a cozy seating area near the entrance can enhance the usability of the space while maintaining an open layout. Strategic lighting, such as soft pathway lights or hanging lanterns, can add warmth and depth during the evening, making the yard feel even more inviting. The goal is to design a front yard that feels welcoming, open, and seamlessly connected to the surrounding environment. By carefully planning your landscaping, choosing the right plants, maintaining a green lawn, and creating an open, airy feel, you can transform your tiny front yard into a stunning outdoor oasis. With a blend of creativity and smart design, even the smallest space can be turned into a breathtaking retreat that enhances both your home's curb appeal and your daily outdoor experience. Whether you prefer a lush garden, a minimalist design, or a cozy relaxation spot, there are endless possibilities to make your front yard a true haven of beauty and tranquility.